What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RWM-DSP-L2 to your mixer. So another way we can set up our receiver is to two channels on our mixer. This allows you to have independent control of each pack, so you can adjust things like volume. You can have different EQ settings on each pack, and you can also have different levels of reverb or effects on each pack. So for this setup, I'm gonna need two XLR cables. I'm gonna take the female ends and plug them into the XLR outputs here on the back of the receiver. So I'm gonna plug one into balance B, and I'm gonna plug the other one into balance A. From here, I'm gonna take the other ends and plug them into two separate channels on my mixer. For today, I'm gonna be using channels 1 and 2, and you also wanna keep track of which output is going into which input. So for example, if you want pack A to be assigned to channel 1, just make sure that the plug coming from balance A is getting plugged into channel 1. So again, balance A or pack A is gonna go into channel 1, and pack 2 is gonna go into channel 2. So next we can raise the gain on both channels. We'll also bring up the level knobs for each channel. And to make sure we're hearing everything coming out of the mixer, we're gonna raise the main mix knob here. Remember, you can set the volume for the pack itself by opening up the battery compartment and looking for the two volume buttons here. To avoid any clipping or distortion, you don't want the pack to be too loud, so we'll start by bringing it up to volume 2 for starters. I also want to make sure that the frequency channels are matched between the receiver and both packs. Since I'm just using pack A for today, I'm going to raise the volume for pack A. Next, I can put on my headset. And now as I talk, you can hear me coming through the mixer and out of the speakers. So like I mentioned, this is a great setup because now we can use all of the effects on our mixer. So I can raise it up on channel 1, hello, hello, and now we have a cool effect on our voice. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RWM-DSP-L2 to your mixer. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.